In this video, we evaluate a contour integral along the unit semicircle. We are integrating the function 2z plus 1 times the conjugate of z. The contour L is the upper half of the unit circle, where the modulus of z is 1 and the argument ranges from 0 to pi. Look closely at the integrand. It contains z conjugate, which means the function is not analytic. Therefore, we cannot use antiderivatives and must evaluate the integral by direct parametrization. Let's visualize the contour. It is a semicircle in the complex plane, starting at 1 and ending at -1. We parameterize the unit circle using Euler's formula. We set z equal to e to the I phi, where phi goes from 0 to pi. Accordingly, z conjugate is e to the -I phi, and the differential dz is I e to the I phi d phi. Now, we substitute these expressions into the integral. We replace z, z conjugate, and dz with their parameterized forms. Let's simplify. Notice that e to the -I phi multiplied by e to the I phi equals 1. This greatly simplifies our expression. We are left with I times the integral of 2e to the I phi plus 1. Now we integrate with respect to phi. The integral of 2e to the I phi is 2e to the I phi divided by I. The integral of 1 is simply phi. Multiplying by the outer I, we get 2e to the I phi plus I phi. Finally, we evaluate at the boundaries. At the upper limit pi, we get -2 plus I pi. At the lower limit 0, we get -2. Subtracting the lower limit from the upper limit, we obtain the final result. The value of the integral is -4 plus pi I.